quick question I get all the time. If you have a power of attorney for somebody and they pass away, can you still sell the house? The short answer is no, unfortunately. And here's why. The power of attorney only works while the person is alive. And the moment someone passes away, the POA, the power of attorney, automatically is voided. If someone dies, it dies with them. So even if you're legally authorized yesterday, if the owner passes away, you are no longer authorized to sign for them. At this point, you have to go through the probate process. Either you have a trust in place or a will that states what the wishes were, or you have the proper documentation like a ladybird deed to transfer the title of the house to the person that's going to get the house to make the decisions. So then most people, if there is a will or isn't a will, they're going to file probate, decide who's going to be the executor, administrator, or the independent or dependent administrator for the estate. If that's going to be you, the will is going to state it or the will is not going to state it, and you're going to have to prove why you should be an executor. I've seen families waste several weeks, months, trying to use the POA, trying to make authorization, and then if they do sign a sell contract that they're not authorized to sell, or they list a property and then they get a contract through realtors, the title company is going to stop that sale until someone is authorized to make those decisions. So be very, very careful. Same with the quitclaim deed. In Texas, it's not really viewed as a legal document to transfer the estate or the title because you're going to need a title policy. So this is why probate specific real estate matters. The process is different, the paperwork is different, and the timing is critical. So if you need a referral to an attorney, I know several good attorneys in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas. I'd love to refer you to and see if we could help you out. I know you're probably in a rush or someone may be in a rush to sell a property. So just put things on hold if you don't have the authorization, because you could sign a contract with an investor or a realtor and they sell it. And then you have a memorandum of contract in place from that buyer or that investor that will tie up the process for years if you're not careful. My name is Dave Pannell, real estate broker in Dallas-Fort Worth, in Texas, a broker. If you need help, need a referral, someone to our vendors list, an attorney, a handyman, an estate sale, anything, locksmith, just get a hold of me. My name is Dave Pannell, real estate broker, especially if you would just a simple home valuation of your home. I would love to look into it for you and help you out. Thank you.